There's some niggas in the background from the track team walking by. Hopefully they don't see me recording this. Anyways. Hey dudes, it's Love. I have a new video for you, and this video is going to be a vlog of all of my appointments to get my toes done, to get my nails done, and to get a Brazilian wax. I do my hair by myself, which is the only reason why I don't have that footage in here, because you guys always see me do my hair. So there's not really a hair appointment, but everything else, fingernails, toes, and vag, you guys will be coming along for the ride. And if I do anything else in between, then I'll probably just include that in the vlog, just so you guys can see a little bit more content of what I do in a day. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys along throughout this vlog with me, and this vlog is going to be over a period of time, because I usually don't set up all of my appointments at one time. Like, I wait till all of the bills are paid and everything like that to pamper myself. So yeah, I kind of wait till all the bills are paid before I set up like all my appointments and things like that. If you have not seen my face before, hey, my name is Love. I love you guys to stick around, subscribe down below, and join the fam. We are super chill and fun over here, and I'd love for you guys to be a part of us. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. had chipped toes for 2 weeks.
No, dotted toes.
Dotted toes, yeah.
Why are they all centered? That's so strange.
You know?
What happened? Poke, poke, poke.
You have nail polish?
What?
I need to get this shit off. No, I gotta ask Phoenix and Diana.
Oh my god.
They probably have
You
it.
just paid money, bro. What the fuck? No, you need to come back.
I think I'm paying for the massages at this point. Not even for the colors.
No, you need to go get the girl like that. She was good.
She was fine. She did everything well. I just don't know what happens once they get me out of that chair.
Like, you're a hazard to your own toes.
I'm just so rough with them.
What did you do? All you did was, I watched you walk. I'm so confused.
All I was trying to do was enter my car, and I look at my toes, and I see them scattered. Wow. So I just got out of my first appointment. We got our toes done. Steph got gel. I got regular polish, and that was clearly the mistake here. Now I'm getting food. So we're gonna head out and get something to eat.
Yeah, man.
Hello guys, so it is another day, and today I'm getting my nails done. My friend does her own like polygel nails and all that, and I love her nails, so I asked her to do it for me. But every single time she was gonna do it, we were like already scheduled like a nail appointment at a salon. So it's the end of the semester now, and since I don't have an appointment scheduled, she's going to be the person to glam my fingers up. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going for, and then I'll show you guys the final look. So this is the shape and color I want, and then I want to do something like this. And I may be adding some gold decor. She has hearts in here, feathers, triangles, circles. There's a bunch going on. I think I want a heart on one of the fingers. And yeah, so I will show you guys the entire process of me getting my nails done. This is the first time I'm ever doing polygel, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. And of course, you already know I got Dunkin'. Already know. Okay, I'm in the car and I asked the lady in the wax room if I could like record myself being waxed, and she was like, no, I'd prefer not, just in case, like, you know, I have to give you any instructions or anything like that. I was like, okay, fine, like that makes sense. But like, and like she's like, oh, if I need you to hold up your legs or if I need you to move your hands, I just want your hands free. And I was like, okay, that's fine. But like, what I didn't appreciate was when she was waxing downstairs, she wouldn't tell me when she was applying the wax or where. So it was like hot, like really hot. Like it was not like burning me, but it was hot. It was bearable, but hot. And I was just like, I wish she would have said, okay, I'm putting this here now, or like, okay, I'm about to apply another strip. But like, she was kind of like go go go. She would apply 3 strips down there at once and then wait till, like, she would apply a strip, apply a strip, apply a strip, and then go in the same order that she applied it to pull them off, which I think is fine because it gets you out of there fast. Like, I was only in there for 15 minutes and I got my underarms and my vag done, which is good. I still gave her a tip and all that. My service total cost $88 because it was $26 for the underarms and it was $62 for the vag, but I had a $10 off coupon because I brought somebody over to them in the past, and if you do that they give you like $10 off like your future wax. So I'm gonna keep bringing more friends there so I can keep racking up these $10 coupons and all that jazz. But I think for now I'm pretty much chilling until maybe mid-July, early August, or possibly the next time I'll get waxed, it will be right before my vacation. But yeah, overall, again, good experiences, just as the last time I got waxed, and I like that I don't have to go back so frequently because my hair does not grow that fast, which is really good. Alright everyone, so that's the end of this video of coming with me into all of my appointments. It's several days later, several weeks and months later, clearly, because I don't have any nails on right now. But I just wanted to share this little sort of kind of go up with y'all and see what you guys think of it. So give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Also leave me some comments and video requests down below because I'd love to film it for you guys. The back to school season is coming up very shortly for the month of July and August, so that should be some fun before we get back into doing college vlogs once again. And yeah, make sure to subscribe if you haven't joined us already. I love you guys all so very much. Peace, dude.